So our game will be called Frog in a Pond. So we will use A4 paper or A4 sized cardboards. You may use a shoebox cover for this game. And the goal of the game is will be moving all the objects from one basket to the other basket one at a time. So when all objects are moved, the game is over. So we need 10 items for this activity. So the distance between boxes or baskets will be 8 steps. So are you ready? Let the game begin.